Welcome to Boundless Shift channel tutorials. Okay, this is tutorial number 3 for Microsoft Word 365. So how do you open your existing document? So earlier on we created Microsoft 365 first document. So how do you locate that file? So there are 3 approaches I'll show us, even though there's more than 3 parts. These are the 3 easier one I'll show you, which you must be familiar with. So first one, as the bottom here, since we have pinned your application, which is Microsoft Word, so here you point your application, which is Word, and then after pointing you right click. After right clicking, then you will see your recently used documents. It will say my first 365 document. So by seeing it here, you can click once, then it will open for you. This is the first method. Then method number 2, go to Start button, you click once. After that, on the Start menu, you locate the Word application again. After pointing, you right click again. Same thing as you saw there. Recent documents, my first 365 document is there. By seeing it here, then you can click once, then it will open. Right, so that method has to locate the folder from the original location now, in case it is not there on the Start menu. So how do we go about? So here on my desktop, I have Boundless Shift Computer Lessons. So I open my folder by double clicking. So once I'm here, my first 365 document is here. So how do I open it? I can either click once and then press enter. By pressing enter after selecting the file, it will open, or else you can double click, so clicking twice consecutively. So let me press enter. So my document is loading now. Then we will see that your document will start. So here we are now on this first document we have created. So this is how you open your existing document if you have closed it either intentionally or by mistake and you want to resume to it again. Thank you.